Hi guys, what's up? So investing is not for everybody, right? So what is the best way right now to save in Jamaica? Welcome back guys. Remember the giveaway is going on, so just go ahead and look out for the ticker in the videos, okay? I've decided to change the response time from 2 hours to 24 hours so that way I can give more people a chance to actually go ahead and comment the tickers, alright? And if you notice your comments not coming up, I've held them for review, so don't worry about it. Once the 24 hours has passed, I will go ahead and release all the comments. And as we're on our way to 2K, remember, turn on your post notification, people. And go ahead and hit that thumbs up button. We all know the blue thumbs up button help out the channel a lot. And if you like what I'm doing right now, just go ahead and share with your family and friends. And remember, it's that blue like button, help out the channel too, So every time you hit it, YouTube decides to share the videos with more persons, alright? So remember guys, I'm on social media also, so you can connect with me there if you want. I'm on Instagram at JARadcliffe and also Twitter at JARadcliffe2030. I know people right now, as soon as I'm getting a paycheck, it's done. They're not able to do proper saving or proper investing with their money. Even if they decide to save, then pretty much think of it as just a little cushion to solve any and every problem that comes up. So it never really grows people, and they will never find that nice little lump sum to just offset that rainy day if it ever happens. Now the method that I'm about to tell you guys is more for my less disciplined subscribers that want to start doing something but they're not sure what to do. The method is not one where you can just easily take out the money. It's kind of hard to get your money out of this, and it takes something big for you to get back that money in a sense. So just like with the government, if you lack discipline, what you may need to do is to have your savings come out of your paycheck before you even see it, because every time the government draw them taxing on people, them take their money first. So you may need to do this with your savings also. Now, if you agree, then what you may need to do is to change your pension contributions. Now, the minimum pension contribution is 5%. What you can do is to change it to 10 or even 15%, which is the maximum contribution. When you do this, the money is taken out of your pay before you even get it. Now, hear me out, people. Let me tell you why I believe this is one of the best ways to save if you are not able to invest on a regular. The first reason is you don't have regular access to your money. It's going to be pretty hard for you to get the money out of your pension contribution unless something drastic changes in your life. So depending on the plan that you decide to go in, you may not be able to get a pension contribution until you reach retirement age. But it's not impossible to get the money. If you decide to leave your job, what some pensions will do is to give you the money to go ahead and try and invest it in another pension plan wherever you're going. But let's be honest, how many of us actually go ahead and reinvest that money when we get it from the old pension plan? Let me just go ahead and raise my hand first here, because I'm guilty of that. I have gotten pension plan money that I should have reinvested that I've actually used for personal expenses at the time. One other thing that you can do, if you're leaving a job and you used to contribute a lot to your pension, you can actually possibly try and use this money to start up a business. So it's tax-free money, people. The government doesn't tax pension funds. So depending on where you are with the whole thing, you may be able to use it to start up a business if you want. Now, another reason why I believe pension fund is a good way to save is because pension funds are actively managed. Now, while we may be kind of hesitant to decide to go into this type of investment or that type of investment, pension funds have big management firms or fund managers to manage the money and ensure that all the money is invested in the fund is making a return. They go out and seek the different investment types to try and make sure your money is well spent at the end of the day. These fund managers, they pretty much have to treat the money as if it's their own. Now, the reason they have to do this is if they don't invest and make good returns for you, who else is going to want to invest with them? Plus, you don't really have to worry, people, because it's a pension fund, they're regulated. So pension funds are regulated by the FSC, so they can't just invest in any and everything as they like, all right? So your money is pretty much safe with them. In my video where I showed you how to calculate your payslip, you will notice that if you upped your pension contribution, then you could be saving some money on income tax and so on, right? Now, when you up your pension contribution, you may be paying out more money out of your paycheck on a monthly basis, but you're saving right here. How? Remember, your income tax is calculated as a percentage of your salary. Now, this 25% of your taxable salary comes out after you take out your pension contribution. Now, in my video, where I showed that if you were to up your pension contribution by $7,500, it would cost you an additional $5,000 something to make that additional $7,500 contribution to your pension. So right here, you invest in $7,500 in your pension, but effectively, it's costing you $5,000 something. So wouldn't it be great to take advantage of these savings? For the actual figures, people, as I say, you can go ahead and watch my video on how I broke down a payslip. I'm also going to leave a link below in the description to that video, alright? Now, a lot of you might be saying that my company doesn't offer pension plan. So how am I going to invest in a pension plan? To be honest, your company doesn't have to offer a pension plan for you to invest in one. There are a number of retirement schemes out there that you can go ahead and sign up to with by yourself. These schemes, however, they normally don't allow for withdrawal of the funds. So you see your little nest egg that you're putting away for that rainy day after you retire? It's safe until you actually retire, where you can do the drawdown. So these are basically just invest and forget type of investments, and depending on where you work, you might not even have to be a part of the process. So your payroll person just takes the money, send it over to your pension fund, and you just get what is left. You don't have to do anything, people. And the last reason why I believe investing in a pension fund is good is flexibility. Now, while you can invest between 5 to 15% of your pay in your pension every month, we all know there are times when things just a little bit worse off than it normally is. So in this case, what you can do is to actually reduce your pension fund. So let's say you were investing 15% in your pension every month. You can go ahead and try and reduce it to 10% over time until you get back on your feet. Or if things are extremely bad, you can go down to the low 5%. But what this does, this ensures that you're still contributing something just for that rainy day. And as you know, whenever you get back on your feet, people, you can just go ahead and up your contribution again. So there you have it, guys. This is the best way I believe in Jamaica to save right now. And when you look at it, at the end of the day, you have experts managing your money. So there's really little to no risk to you. And you don't have to be there trying to figure out where and what to put your money in. So thanks for watching, guys. Now remember to go ahead and comment the ticker below. Right? I'll be holding all the comments for 24 hours that relate to the giveaway. Now all the other comments and so on, I will release them as I go along in the day. Alright? Now if you're not yet subscribed, people, go ahead and subscribe now. Remember, turn on your post notification. So you see, as soon as the video drops, you guys can come in and comment on the video, find the tickers and so on. Remember to hit that like button, alright? And lastly, people, remember, I am not a financial advisor, so before you make any money decisions, go ahead and consult your licensed financial advisor first, alright? Bye-bye.